Right, time to pack them away. I have gold shoes that are similar to this, and they do get scratched quite easily, so it's better to just pack them nicely, and yeah, hopefully they'll last longer. Right, now on to the big box. Required a bit more effort than I imagined. Oh, I know this. It's a Kyrie 4.5. You know, Kyries are popular for playing in, but I just bought these for regular wear. Black Rattan DK Smoke Grey. Oh, I didn't know it had grey on it. Let's see. Oh wow, how cool is this box? By the way, what do you guys think of Travis Scott? Are we still buying his shoes? I don't think the price of his other sneakers have dropped though, so yeah, people don't seem to care about the whole thing. These look pretty cool. They look more boyish than I imagined on the picture, but I guess the purple and this is actually orange, eh? It's weird. From far it looks like pink, or maybe I'm colorblind, but yeah, these lines are orange, like very orange when you bring it close to your face. What about, maybe it's like an illusion, it changes color. Yeah, this looks very cool. This is quite fat. Let's measure this. If you're wondering, yeah, the tape just happened to be on my desk today, so just, I don't know why I'm so fascinated with this, so yeah, I'm just using it. 4 centimeters. That's quite a big heel. Also, the shoe looks a lot more compact than the Air Jordan that we first unboxed. So I don't see any real issues with the quality. Maybe like a bit of glue there. Okay, no, now that I'm looking, I do see issues with the quality. This actually looks recycled as well, which is not bad, looks cool. Okay, now on to the last pair. Alex. So only reason I bought this was because it was on sneakers and it was sitting, but I had a coupon code for it, so I didn't have to pay full price. And yeah, I thought maybe I could sell it actually. I know they were sitting on the store, but it does look like it's worth something. It's a very cool paper. I actually also have the red one and I don't remember the red one having that paper. As you know, these are Air Force Ones. I'm going to take both out. So both these things say different stuff. On the laces it's 1017 and 9 SM. Oh, I think the quality on these are really good, eh? You can't see any glue. They were really expensive though, so let's say about $300 for Air Force Ones. It is a collab and it is a high top though. And the leather is very soft. So it's also so clean. I don't generally like white shoes because they get dirty so quickly, but these look really nice. So it looks like you can actually remove this from the shoe, but my personal opinion is it looks weird if you do. It says Alex inside. And it does have this extra, not a lot, but it is a bit of extra padding. Very easy to open, but more difficult to close. Now I just need to put it in the right space there. There we go. Let's see, it's so easy. And it looks like it's made with some heavy duty stuff, materials, so it should be long lasting. Made in Austria, that's different. This is the name, yeah, Alex. what? Oh, it's backward. Right, so this tick needs to be in the front. There we go. Could actually wear this to work if you worked outdoors and, or I don't know, on a site the whole day. So front view. Cool. Hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you again soon.